we know that in a division problem, we're splitting up the total. What are we doing?
Splitting up the total.
Show me the silent symbol for division. Good. Line, punch, punch. Show me. Line, punch. Show me multiplication. It's my new favorite thing. Show me division. Show me spark. Ooh, excellent job, Red Row, all on spark. Go ahead, Julia. Malaysia's at a 0. Cedric's focused on his computer. So, today you're going to be able to think about, put your finger on your brilliant brain because you're going to use it today. Kyle's finger is there. Elena, Trevor put their finger there. You can do it, Jace. You're going to think about, how do I know this is a division story problem? We just said that when we're doing division, we know our total and we're going to split it up into equal groups. So here's our first problem. Let's whisper read the problem together. Ready? Go.
Hakeem has 48 pretzels. He puts 8 pretzels in each bag. How many bags did Hakeem use?
I'm going to go back. Okay, let's do it one more time because we know good test takers always read questions more than once. And make sure you're all reading with me. His name is Hakeem. Ready? Go.
Hakeem has 48 pretzels. He puts 8 pretzels in each bag. How many bags did Hakeem use?
Much better. Elena's board is down. Denila's board is flat down on the carpet in front. Now, I know I'm a good test taker, so I'm going to annotate that important information. Hakeem has 48 pretzels. He put 8 pretzels in each bag. How many bags did Hakeem use? When I say go, I want you to turn and whisper to a teammate next to you, that same partner. How do you know this is division problem? How do you know this is a division problem? Think about what we just talked about, and you can use your anchor chart to help you. Ready? Go. Kyle, turn right away. Denila, turn right away. And what do we know of the story? Keep talking. Oh yeah, sorry, go ahead. Turn back to check me in 3. In 2. Elena has her things back down. Her voice is off in 1.
How do we make
Hands in lap. In 0. Excellent, Kendarius. Excellent, Jace. Track, Caden. Remember, just turn your head to track. Jace turned his head. Bernaya turned head. How do you know this is division?
because we know the total and we have to figure out how we make the total.
Yes. In a division problem, we know the total. 48 pretzels is my total. It's my
Total.
Again, it's my
Total.
It's my total. And what am I doing with those 48 pretzels? What am I doing? Caden, keep going.
We solving how we made 48.
Malik's at a 0. Nicholas is at a 0. Track, Caden, say it one more time.
We solving how we made our total.
We're trying to figure out what?
How we made 48.
What are we trying to figure out? Track, Kyle. Albert turned his head. Trevor turned his head.
How many bags Hakeem used?
We're trying to figure out how many bags. Joshua's still sitting crisscross. Caden has his hands in his lap. Make sure your legs are all the way flat down on the ground, crisscross, like your knees are touching your shoes. We know, Amani, our total. Caden told us that we know that 48 pretzels is our total, and Kyle said we're trying to figure out how many bags. So we know the total, we don't know how many groups or how many bags. We know how many in each, so we know total and we know one of these, and I'm splitting up my total. What am I doing?
Splitting up my total.
I'm going to split up those 48 pretzels. Show me with your hands.
Split up my
splitting up those 48 pretzels. Now, we know that division is when you can split the total into equal groups. Just like when we were drawing those arrays, they all have to be equal groups. So I could say that I know my total pretzels, and I know 8 pretzels in each bag. Today you're going to practice writing, Joshua, an explanation for how we know it's division. We always know it's division because we start with our what? Hand. We start with our what? Denilah. Total. We start with our what, everybody?
Total.
Total. And what am I doing with my total? What am I doing with my total? What am I doing with my total, Jace? I'm splitting it up into equal groups. Good. Now when I say go, I want you to turn and whisper to your same partner, what is a division equation to match this story? Turn and whisper to your teammate. Go. Kyron's at a 0. Anaya's voice is off. Excellent job, window people, staying focused. What's my division equation? You can write it on your board. Get it down on your right board, and then give me a thumbs up when you think you have it. I see Kyle and Joshua. Put the board on the knee. Still sitting tall and proud. Legs are crisscrossed like Trevor. Legs are crisscrossed like Elena. Crisscross Kyle, crisscross Kendarius. Strong, proud, silent hand when you are ready to share the division equation. You could put a question mark for the unknown. I just want the division equation. Put your marker cap down. 3. Marker cap down. 2. Marker cap down. 1. 0. Denilah put her marker down. Joshua put his marker down. Make sure your whiteboard goes back in front of you. Renaya put it down in front. What is a division equation? Anaya? Cedric's at a 0. Amari's at a 0. What is a division equation? Trevor, will you share your equation?
48 divided by 8 equals 8.
Equals question mark. We don't know that yet. We haven't solved. We know division equation always starts with my total. I'm splitting it up with 8 pretzels in each bag. I'm trying to figure out how many bags Hakeem used. Now, we can solve. If I have 8 pretzels in each bag, I could draw an array and I could put how many circles, Kyle?
4.
8 going which way, down or across?
Down.
No.
Across.
I'm doing in each, so I have to go across this way. 8. Now you can draw with me.
Miss Kessler, could you remind us, when you just drew those 8 circles, what do those 8 circles represent in the
These
story?
represent the 8 pretzels in each bag. Now have I got all 48 of my pretzels out? Nope, we have to deal out the total amount until there's nothing left. So I have to keep going. 8 more pretzels in a bag. 8 and 8 makes what? 16. You should be drawing this on your whiteboard like Jace, drawing it on your whiteboard like Kaden. I'm about to run out of space, but that's okay.
Miss Kessler, do you think
Yeah.
they could finish on their own?
Yes?
Thank you.
All
All right.
Malik's voice is off. Nicholas is
Keep
focused on
going
his
until you
computer
figure
at a
out
0.
how many bags of pretzels we have.
Now I'm off. You always get so behind when you come in.
I know that's at your timer. It's just like, because we're all like, we have thoughts.
I don't know why that's so funny. Should they be solving this part? Or
I
should
think, yeah, I mean, yes, I would go ahead and let them solve it. I think showing the first one, talking about what that 8 meant was a nice move, but then you're like, oh, these are the pretzels in the bag. But I think letting them do it.
Kyron is still focused. He's going to get lots of percentages today. Give me a bad?
What number is that?
Okay, then come down and do math workshop.
Add on 8. How could I add 8?
Yes,
8,
Jace.
18, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Did you figure out how many bags we have? Oh, I see it. Good.
Have we done all 48
How come
pretzels
one
yet?
of them
Okay, keep going.
circle smaller? Keep going. Make sure that you're lining your circles up and keeping it one under the other so it's equal.
So are you ready to
and it
solve?
looks nice and
48. How many are in each
What's
bag?
next? I should see it on an answer line and you should label it with words from the story.
How many bags are there?
We're looking for how many bags, so blank bags.
How many bags? Yeah.
6 what?
6 what? Write that down. Good job.
Good, Jace. Malik is still at a 0.
What does the 6 represent?
Joshua's sitting up.
How many what?
Delilah's sitting
Yeah, so
up.
6.
Crisscross.
So write that down. You gotta make sure you label your
Kyle,
story.
sit up. This is now your reminder. You can do it. Put the whiteboard in your lap. All right, give me a thumbs up if you are ready to share your brilliant answer. How many bags did Hakeem use? I have a thumb from Joshua. I have a thumb from Albert.
6 what? What does the 6 mean?
Thumb from Jace.
You're trying to find out how many what do they have of pretzels.
Oh. Jace,
Good, Jada.
how many bags did Hakeem use? 6. If you also got 6 bags, give me a silent agree. I agree. I like to label with words from this story because it's nice and clear. 6 bags. Erase, erase, erase. Put your marker cap on. Getting ready to do. Oh, pause. I forgot to say one thing. Boards down 3, 2. Hands back in your lap in 1. In 0. Delilah has her hands in her lap. Joshua, Kyle, beautiful friends. They're sitting crisscross with hands in their lap. Their board is flat down in front of them. Flat down. This number, the answer in a division problem is called a quotient. It's called a quotient. Make sure you're still sitting crisscross like Joshua. Crisscross like Delilah. Good. That's really going to hurt your knees if you stay like that. So now you have another problem that looks very similar. Your CFS, annotate, underline that important information. Explain in words how you know this is a division problem, a strategy to solve, and then your division equation to match. Take 1, pass it down. Level 0. Take 1, pass it down. Let's see which row is getting started first. Okay.